think they're that bad. I think we need to wax them a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it shouldn't take too long. Oh.
What?
Sorry. I had me a bit of a cold.
Ew.
What?
Well, it just went on my bloody forehead.
Oh, sorry. Anyway, yeah, maybe use one of my pore strips as well. What? What is wrong with you?
I was yawning.
Oh, well, that was just poor luck, wasn't it, really?
I need to give someone notice that you're going to sneeze.
Well,
Or, I don't know, don't sneeze in people's mouths.
Well, don't open your mouth when I'm about to sneeze.
I didn't know you were going to sneeze.
Well, that sounds like your fault.
Oh,
Sorry. God.
Leave. What are you laughing at? What is funny about? Just leave. I don't want to catch whatever you've got. Just go. I'm sick of this, and I'm sick of you.